Hello, Mzansi. Umgosi Ojusi here. Please don't forget to like my videos, share my page, and subscribe. Please, guys. So on Christmas, we were busy. Tina, si busy. My choice is so 30. Si busy. Wanted to celebrate Christmas, guys. Hi, Opel, and his soon-to-be husband got engaged, guys. The 37-year Pearl Modiadie. So ngiyacabanga siyamati Pearl Modiadie. She's just on the TV in many soapies shows. So she got engaged on Christmas Day, and she shared pictures of her engagement ring, guys. So big, that diamond in her finger. So guys, Pearl is officially off the market. Natalia decided to engage her. So I think we'll be attending a wedding very soon. I think so.